Hello and welcome to YippieYarnYay. This is part 2 in this series on how to crochet for absolute beginners. If you haven't seen part 1, I recommend that you watch that video first, especially if you're totally new to crochet. Just click here in the upper right corner to watch part 1. So let's get started. Today you're going to learn how to make a slip knot, how to chain, how to make a half double crochet, and how to weave in ends when you're done. For this tutorial, you will need some acrylic yarn and a hook that matches, a pair of scissors, and a darning needle. I'll leave a link to everything in the description box below. So to start off, you make a slip knot. Fold your yarn and insert your index finger, insert your thumb as well. Now grab the tail of the yarn and gently pull it through to form a loop. Now take your crochet hook and insert it into the loop and gently pull it tighter, but not too tight. And now we are ready to make 11 chains. So you wrap the yarn around your hook and you turn your hook towards your left hand and gently pull through the loop. That's 1. So yarn around hook, that's called yarning over, turn the hook and pull through. That's 2. Yarn over, turn the hook, and pull through. Now we have 1, 2, 3 chains. So yarn over and pull through. That's number 4. Yarn over and pull through. 5. Yarn over and pull through. 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, and last one, 11. So now you have a chain of 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So now you're going to learn how to make a half double crochet. So you start in the second chain from the hook. So you yarn over, and then you find a little space in the second chain from the hook and insert the hook, yarn over, and pull through. Now you have 1, 2, 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3. That's your first half double crochet. Now you'll be working in this little space. So yarn over, find the little space and insert the hook, yarn over, and pull through. 1, 2, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, and pull through all 3. Let's make one more in this one, right here. So yarn over, insert the crochet hook, yarn over, and pull through. 1, 2, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, and pull through all 3. So it looks like this now. Let's make another one. So yarn over, insert the hook into the chain, yarn over, pull through. 1, 2, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, and pull through. Continue like this all the way to the end. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through. You have 4 chains left now. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, and yarn over and pull through 3 loops. We have 2 chains left now. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3. So now the last one. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through. So this is your first row of half double crochets. So to make another row, you chain 1, and then you turn your work, and you skip the first chain and start in this one. So you do the same, yarn over, insert the hook into the space, yarn over, pull through, have 1, 2, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, and pull through all 3. So this is the next space. So yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through 1, 2, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. Let's make one more in this space. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through 1, 2, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. Now pause the video and continue all the way to the end of the row. So now we're gonna make the last stitch. So yarn over and you're gonna find the last little space and insert the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. So that's row 2. So to make row 3, you start with a chain and you turn your work, you skip the first stitch and start in the second chain from the hook. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. And the next one, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, 3 loops on the hook and pull through all 3. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. Now pause the video and make as many rows as you would like. So for this tutorial, I have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows. So to finish off, you don't want to make another chain because you're not going to turn your work. So now you want to weave in your ends. So you cut your yarn and take your darning needle and pull the yarn through. And I'm going to show you how to weave in your ends. So you thread a darning needle and then you gently just weave through the yarn. Just like this. Don't pull too tight. And you can also go back. Just weave up and down to be absolutely sure that your work doesn't unravel. So cut your yarn, and then you can also weave in the other end. So now we're done with our little half double crochet square, and it looks the same on both front side and back side. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like, and click the little bell notification button so you never miss a new video. See you soon!